Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1040SR, which is the U.S. income tax return made for seniors. So this form is used to report income, claim deductions or credits, and calculate whether there's a refund or tax due. So in this walkthrough, I'll go over to the main parts of the form step by step so that it's easier to understand what goes where. So start at the top of the form with the basic personal details. So this is where the filler enters their first and last name, social security number, and home address. If the return is being filed jointly, the spouse's name and social security number also go in this section. So right below that, select the correct filing status such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. There's also a section for dependents. So if the filler is claiming anyone, their information is entered there. So after that, move down to the income section. This part is used to report the main types of income. So that include wages from a W-2 taxable interest, dividends, IRA distribution, pensions, annuities, social security benefits, capital gains, and other income if it applies. So as each amount is entered on the correct line, the form totals everything to help calculate total income and adjusted gross income. If there are adjusted to income, those are also included before reaching the adjusted gross income line. Next, go to the tax and credit section. This is where the form asks whether someone can claim the filler as a dependent, and it also includes the standard deduction or itemized deduction section. So Form 1040SR has a standard deduction chart, which helps determine the right deduction amount based on filing status and age-related boxes checked on the form. So once deductions are entered, the taxable income is figured out. Then the form moves into tax credits and any other taxes that may apply. So from there, continue to the payment section. This is where federal income tax withheld from forms like W-2s or 1099s is entered. So along with the estimated tax payments and refundable credits if they apply. So after those amounts are added, the form compares total payments to total tax. If the payments are higher, the filler may get a refund. If the tax is higher, there may be an amount owed. And at the end of the form, finish the refund or amount owed section. If there is a refund, the filler can choose direct deposit by entering the routing number and account number. If there is a balance due, that amount is shown in the payment section. Then review everything carefully. Complete the third-party designing section only if needed, and sign and then date the form. If it is a joint return, both people need to sign. So overall, Form 1040SR is really just a full tax return laid out in sections: personal information, income, deduction, tax, payments, and final results. So taking it one part at a time makes it much easier to follow. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.